welcome back to my channel today. I know it has been like an entire month that I have not posted. Actually, no, it's been a few weeks, but it's felt like forever. So welcome back to my channel today, guys. I have so much to catch you guys up on. I'm so sorry that I did not post as much in August. It was such a crazy month. It was my birthday month. We visited family. We caught COVID, and when I say we, me and the kids, and like it was just a really long month, but we feel a lot better now. We're back. It's a brand new month, and I want to start this month off strong and just kind of prioritize things that are important to me, which one is my health and just like my nutrition, what I'm putting in my body, and two is I know this is ridiculous, but like social media, Instagram, YouTube, and just trying to be more consistent and post more. Okay, no more milk, okay? The milk make your tummy hurt, okay? No more milk for now. It make your tummy hurt. Also, guys, I'm not proud of this, but I've gained almost 10 pounds in the last month from just having so much fun with like my birthday, vacation, seeing my family, my parents, enjoying my dad's cooking, and then COVID. Just, it was a long month. So that's why I'm really like putting my foot down, and we're gonna make these changes, and we're gonna start brand new here in September. And so yeah, anyways, today is Labor Day, so happy Labor Day to everyone. We're actually headed to Kennywood in a little bit. It's like a little like amusement park that's near our house, but we're gonna have breakfast first. I want to make sure I'm having a really big protein filled breakfast, that way I have all the energy while we're at the park. So yeah, let's make breakfast, and then I'm excited to take you guys along with me. Guys, I'm literally having 4 eggs and some turkey bacon. No carbs. I'm gonna add salt. I didn't add salt when I was cooking the eggs. I feel like adding it in after, for some reason, makes it taste better. Add a little bit of garlic powder and pepper. Alrighty, so I'm gonna cut half of it to where we can hold it, and then the other half I'm gonna cut to where we can throw it in a bowl. Alright guys, and this is breakfast. Watermelon, have my burnt turkey bacon, and I have my eggs. So we're gonna have this, and we're gonna head to the park. Alright guys, this is going to be my late lunch, early dinner. We have 2 large tacos on low carb tortillas. Look how huge these are. So big. Okay, so let's take a bite. Oh, I just love like the red onion cilantro combination. It's like top tier. I need hot sauce though. So let's just put a little bit on. Cannot forget the hot sauce. Okay, let's take a bite. Oh. So yummy.